We're here for round 4 of the TFH Hire TA2 muscle car frame by HYTEK Steel Framing, and it's our Enduros. We had double the amount of drivers, with our Kubota Pole Award winner is Tom Hayman. Congratulations, mate. Incredible drive out there in a very tough field. How was it?
Yeah, it was awesome. Obviously we've had a few issues today in the practice sessions, but it was awesome to be able to get the car hooked up for qualifying and put down that lap, so it was good.
The most important thing is we give you this massive check, mate. Congratulations on the Kubota Pole Award. It's going to be a huge weekend here for the TA2 Muscle Car Series.